So over here you can see that I got some pages right here like home, about, FAQ and so forth. If you want to go ahead and delete off a page, then you can actually go on to the left hand side onto the page that you want to delete. For example, I want to go ahead and delete the about page, so I'm just going to click on the three dot button right here just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on delete right here just like this, and the page will be deleted. And another thing that you can do is you can duplicate out a page as well. Let's say, for example, I want the same components as I have in the home page. Then what I can simply do is click on the three dot button right here and then choose duplicate right here just like this. Once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that an exact copy of the page is created over here. So you can go around over here and then let's say, for example, go to page settings right here to go ahead and rename out the page as well. So let's say, for example, this is going to be about, then you can go ahead and rename it out right here, and that is how the page is renamed as well. And that is how you can go ahead and delete, duplicate, and rename pages inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.